In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy Workspace link in Smartsheet, Access Control 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can share a secure link to a Smartsheet workspace with your team. First, open your browser and head to smartsheet.com. This is where everything starts. If you're already signed in, you'll go straight to your account. If not, click Sign In and log in using your usual method. That might be your email and password, single sign-on through your organization, or another approved option. Keep it simple. Sign in, complete any two-step verification if prompted, and you're in. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your home screen. Here, Smartsheet gives you quick access to your most recent items and, importantly, your workspaces. Look for the Workspaces area on the home page or in the left side navigation. This is the central place where your folders, sheets, and dashboards are grouped by team or project. Next, open the list of workspaces and find the one you want to share. Click the workspace name to enter it. You'll see its contents laid out: sheets, reports, and dashboards, possibly grouped into folders. You can continue from here without changing anything in the workspace structure. You're just getting into the right location so you can access sharing. Within the workspace view, open one of the sheets if you need the standard toolbar to appear at the top. In the upper right area, you'll see the Share button. Go ahead and click Share. Smartsheet will open a sharing panel or dialog with options. Here's the key step. You'll see that you can share either the specific sheet you're viewing or the entire workspace. Make sure you switch to or select the workspace option. Choosing the workspace ensures the link you generate points to the workspace itself, not just a single sheet. With the workspace option selected, look toward the bottom of the sharing dialog for the Copy Link control. Click Copy Link. That immediately places the workspace link on your clipboard. You can now paste it into an email, a chat, or your team's collaboration tool. A few quick tips to keep things secure and smooth. Verify you're sharing the correct workspace before copying the link. Remember that the people who receive the link will only see what their permissions allow, so adjust roles like viewer, editor, or admin in the same sharing panel if needed. If someone can't open the link, they may need to request access or be added to the workspace. And always share links privately within your organization to keep your data safe. That's it. Your workspace link is copied and ready to share.